In the vast expanse of the cosmos, Blue Origin stands as a beacon of ambition, driven by a profound mission to make humanity a multi-planetary species. Founded by entrepreneur Jeff Bezos, Blue Origin envisions a future where millions of people live and work in space, unlocking its boundless resources and ensuring the long-term survival of our species. Their journey begins with a fundamental belief: to boldly go where no one has gone before, we must first make space travel affordable and accessible. This guiding principle fuels Blue Origin's relentless pursuit of reusable spacecraft, innovative technologies, and a sustainable approach to space exploration. They are not merely launching rockets, they are launching a future where humanity's reach extends far beyond the confines of Earth. Their commitment to this vision is evident in every aspect of their operation, from the design of their spacecraft to the partnerships they forge. Blue Origin is not just reaching for the stars, they are building the stepping stones to get us there. At the heart of Blue Origin's ambitious endeavors lie its impressive fleet of spacecraft and strategically located launch sites. New Shepard, their suborbital rocket, has become synonymous with reusable spaceflight. This remarkable vehicle has successfully completed multiple missions, carrying payloads and passengers beyond the boundary of space before returning to Earth for a gentle, upright landing. Then there's New Glenn, a colossal orbital launch vehicle designed to deliver payloads and humans into Earth orbit and beyond. This behemoth of a rocket promises to revolutionize heavy lift capabilities, paving the way for ambitious missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. To support these ambitious launches, Blue Origin has established state-of-the-art facilities across the globe. Their primary launch site in Van Horn, Texas, serves as a hub for testing and launching their fleet of spacecraft. Additional launch sites in Florida and New Zealand extend their reach, providing flexibility and redundancy for their growing manifest of missions. These launch sites, equipped with cutting-edge technology and staffed by a team of brilliant engineers, embody Blue Origin's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. They are not just launch pads, they are gateways to the cosmos. Blue Origin is not just focused on Earth. Oh no, their ambitions stretch much further. They dream of returning humans to the Moon and even envision a future where we set foot on Mars. It's a bold vision, but with their relentless drive and innovation, it feels more achievable every day. Imagine a world where space travel is as common as a plane ride. That's the future Blue Origin is working towards. Blue Origin has made significant strides from their early test flights. Their New Shepard rocket has successfully completed numerous missions, paving the way for space tourism. Yes, you heard that right, space tourism. Soon, ordinary people will have the chance to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of space firsthand. It's no longer just a dream, it's becoming a reality. Blue Origin's achievements are supported by their state-of-the-art facilities. From their headquarters in Kent, Washington, to their launch site in West Texas, every location is equipped with cutting-edge technology. And let's not forget the accolades. They've received numerous awards and recognitions for their contributions to space exploration. It's a testament to their hard work, dedication, and visionary approach.